Okay, you had extra activity at school, yes? You had extra activity at school, yeah. That's great.
Yes.
That's great, Mr. Arnold. Thank you. Now, please, Mr. Arnold, let's answer these questions, yeah? Where are you from, Arnold?
I'm from Kazakhstan.
Huh. Where were you?
In Almaty City.
Okay, I was born in... Yeah.
I born in Almaty.
Okay. Where do you live now?
Now I live in Almaty.
That's good. Do you live in a house or a flat, Mr. Arnold?
Flat, как будет?
Квартира.
Yes, I live in a flat.
Yeah, that's good. Do you have any brothers and sisters?
Yes, I have 2 sisters.
Okay, and you, yes?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. And do you have any pets?
Pets.
It's like cats or dog, maybe.
No, I don't have pets.
Don't have any pets. Yeah, okay. So what do you do, Mr. Arnold?
Now I learn English language.
Okay. But what do you do means какая у вас профессия? You can say I'm a student, okay?
I'm a student.
I'm a student. Okay, that's good. That is good, Mr. Arnold. Thank you. This is nice, yeah. Okay. Okay, what school do you go to?
Gymnasium 21.
Gymnasium number 21, yes? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. That's good. And what class are you in?
8 class.
Yeah, I'm in class 8A, yes?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Mr. Arnold, thank you. That's good. And can you speak any other languages? What languages can you speak?
I can speak Russia, Kazakh language, and English lesson or language.
Where did you learn English before?
На каком разговаривал до?
Where did you learn? Где вы учились английский до этого?
I learned Kazakh language in school. Russia language I learned with my dad and mom. And I learned English language with my teacher Kairat Ağa.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Arnold. Okay. What kind of music do you listen to? What's your favorite kind of music?
I love listen rap.
Rap music?
Yes.
Okay, you should also like 50 Cent, Eminem, yes, am I right?
Yes. Tupac, Snoop Dogg.
Really? Do you listen to English rap songs?
Yes.
Wow. Do you know Mockingbird?
Yes.
PIMP, and what other songs do you know? What other raps do you know?
Eminem, Without Me, Mockingbird, and I forgot Tupac.
What about that music? Lose Yourself. If you have one opportunity.
No, I don't listen its music.
Wow, that's a great song, you know. Lose Yourself. It's a song by Eminem, you know. Eminem. We can just give it like we can listen to it now. Yeah, I can show it. Yeah. Lose Yourself. Yeah. I hope that there is no advertisement here. I hope that you listen to this one. Oh, thank you. Yeah.
Look, if you had one shot, one opportunity to see everything you ever wanted, one moment to capture, just let it slip. Yo, his palms are sweaty, these weak arms are heavy, there's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and...
So it goes like this, okay? Thank you. Toshim, thank you. Okay, let's continue. Yeah, Mr. Arnold. Did you like this song now?
Yes, I liked it.
Okay, listen to it and you can like take a look at the lyrics of the rap and you can learn. Yeah, it's like full of motivation. Thank you. And Mr. Arnold, do you play a musical instrument and which instrument do you play? Thank you.
No, I don't play a musical instrument.
You don't play any musical instrument?
No.
Okay, but would you like to learn? What instrument would you like to learn to play?
I want to learn play in piano.
The
On
piano?
piano. Yes.
Piano. Wow. What about the dombra?
Dombra is a hard musical instrument
Really?
for me.
Is it
For me?
Is it harder than the piano? Is it harder than the piano?
Yes.
Okay. What TV programs do you watch, and what's your favorite kind of like film or the TV program?
My favorite TV program is National Geographic Wild.
Not you well. Okay, Arnold, thank you. Sanat, hello, Sanat, how are you?
It's fine, thank you.
Okay, Sanat. Why are you late today, Mr. Sanat?
I have any jobs in the house.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Sanat, can you speak any other languages? Which languages can you speak, Mr. Sanat?
I speak Russian, Kazakh, and some English.
And some little English, yeah?
Yes.
Great. And do you play a musical instrument, Sanat?
No, I didn't.
And what TV programs do you watch? Thank you. Sanat?
I don't watching any programs.
Don't watch any program. Okay. Do you do any sport or exercise? What sport or exercise do you do, Mr. Sanat?
Yes, I do the sport athletic.
Athletics.
Yes, athletics.
Yeah, I do athletics. Yeah. So you can you swim?
No.
In athletics, there is no sport like swimming, no?
Как сказать, нас не учили еще.
Okay, they haven't taught us yet. Yes, they haven't taught us yet. They haven't taught us.
They haven't told us yet.
Yes, that's good. That's good. Thank you. Now let me ask some questions to Mr. Arnold. Arnold Tursunhan.
Yes.
Do you do any sport?
Now I play big tennis and chess.
Oh, and chess. Wow, that's good. That's good. Do you go to any championships like in Almaty region, or how long have you been playing tennis, like big tennis?
I play Tennis Europe tournaments and Asian Tennis Federation and Championat Kazakhstan.
Oh, really? Championship of Kazakhstan.
Yes.
Oh, and how long have you been going there? I mean, how many years?
I play Championat Kazakhstan when I 12 years old.
When you were 12 years old, you played in the championship of Kazakhstan, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, that's good. Wow, fantastic. And what kind of books or magazines do you read, Mr. Arnold?
Now I read Code Da Vinci.
Ooh, yeah, that's good. And do you read it in English or in Russian?
Now I read in the English language. Before I read this book in Russian language. On Russian language.
In Russian, yes, fantastic. Arnold, that's good. You're a hardworking student. Thank you. Now, Mr. Sanat, please.
Да.
What kind of music? Oh, sorry, not music. What kind of books or magazines do you read, Mr. Sanat?
I read the book Five Nights at Freddy.
Okay, and in what language do you read it? In Russian or in English or maybe in Kazakh?
In English language.
English language. Okay, and how often do you go to the cinema, Mr. Sanat?
Повторите, пожалуйста.
Yeah. Can you repeat, please? Yeah. Can you repeat, please?
Can you repeat, please?
Yeah. How often do you go to the cinema? Как часто вы ходите в кинотеатр?
I don't
Often?
go to the cinema.
Yeah, I don't often go to the cinema. Я не часто хожу, да? I don't often go to the cinema. And what did you do this weekend, Mr. Sanat?
I go to school, do homework, see the TV, once film.
Я используем past simple, да? Из-за того, что вопрос did стоит, значит, I went to school. I played with my friends, yeah? Давайте заново. What did you do last weekend, Mr. Sanat?
I did go to school and watch TV. I did watch TV.
I watched TV, and
go athletic.
And
do athletic.
Did athletics, yes, I did athletics.
Yes.
Да, атлетика используем, что? Did, да? Did. Okay, the next questions. Thank you, Sanat. Mr. Arnold?
Yes, I go to cinema. I go to the cinema once a month.
Okay, once a month, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, and what did you do last weekend, Mr. Arnold?
The last weekend, I play billiard with my brother and dad, and I go to the tennis with my sisters. Went to the tennis.
Wow, you spent the weekend actively, yes? You spent.
Yes.
Yeah, fantastic. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, the next question. Arnold, go on, Arnold. Where were your parents born? Where were your parents born?
My dad born in Жаңақорған and my mom born in Талдықорған.
Yeah, so you can say my dad was born. Okay, был рожден.
Was born, yes.
In Жаңақорған, which is Newcastle, yes? And
And my mom was born in Талдыкорган.
In Taldykorgan. Okay. Mhm. And the next question, where is our teacher from?
Учителя школы?
No, me, your teacher.
Ah,
Me now.
my teacher is from Kentau.
Tao. Yeah, that's good. Thank you, Arnold. Now let me ask these questions to Mr. Sanat. Yes, Taki? Where were your parents born?
My mom was born in the Turkestan,
Ooh, uh-huh.
and I have no dad.
Okay, no problem. And where is your teacher from at school, I mean? Where is your teacher from school? Yeah, where is he or she from?
Our teacher
Mm-hmm.
from
Mm-hmm.
in Kentau.
Yeah, she's, is it a she or he?
She.
He. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. The next one, please, Sake. How do you spell your name, Mr. Sake?
Как я говорю свое...
Yeah. How do you spell your name? По буквам, да, это у нас. Spell это у нас по буквам. S-A.
S-A-N...
Uh-huh.
A...
Uh-huh.
A... T.
T. Okay, thank you. Did you go out last night, Mr. Sake?
No, I didn't go out
Yes, no, I didn't. I didn't go out.
last night.
Okay, thank you. Now, Mr. Arnold, please. How do you spell your name?
A-R-N-O-R.
Yes, you are. Yes, A-R-N-U-R.
You are.
Did you go out last night? Like
Last night, no, I didn't.
Yeah, I didn't go out last night. Okay. Okay, thank you. That's good. And the next questions. Okay, have to go to this one. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Mr. Sakir, Sanat, where do you come from?
Откуда я, да?
Родом, да, это у нас come from, это у нас где вы вот родом, да, именно. I come from
the Turkestan.
Turkestan, okay. And where is the train station, Mr. Sakir?
The train station is in Turkestan.
It's in Turkestan, yeah, thank you. Yes, Mr. Arnold Tursunkan?
Cheers.
I'm from in Almaty,
Yeah,
and
from
the train
Almaty.
station. Yes, from Almaty, and the train station in Almaty.
Is in Almaty, yes, is in Almaty. The train station is in Almaty. Ikonia, thank you for the likes. How often do you read magazines, Mr. Arnold Tursunkan?
I read magazines twice a month.
Twice a month. And where are your friends from, Mr. Arnold?
I have 3 friends, and they from in Almaty.
Yes, they are from Almaty. Ну, там, если from ставим, in не надо. They are from Almaty, да?
Almaty.
Или если хотите, они живут в Алмате, тогда можно in поставить, да? They live in Almaty. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Now let me ask some questions to Mr. Sakir. Sakir, how often do you read magazines?
One of the weeks.
Yes, once a week. Yes, once a week. Okay.
Once weeks.
And the next one.
Where are you
your friends
from?
from?
My friends from Кентау.
Mm-hmm.
Также
Yeah, I'm. What? How often do you read magazines? You don't read. Where are your friends from? They are from.
they are from the Kentau.
Yeah, they are from Canton. And why? Yeah, why didn't you write to me yesterday? Maybe. No, thank you. Thank you very much. Почему вы мне не написали вчера? Ну просто because I was busy напишем, да? Потому что я был занят, Игорь.
Because I was busy.
Busy. And the last question, do you often go to the cinema?
No, I didn't.
No, I don't. Ну, обращаем внимание, на каком глаголе начинается, да? Ответ на таком же глаголе будет, да? No, I don't. No, I don't. Okay. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Arnold Tursunhan. Why?
Why didn't you write to me? I don't write to you because I wasn't at home.
Okay, that's good. That's a good answer.
And do you often go to the cinema? I go to the cinema once a month.
That's good. Next one. What does this word mean? Put.
Как переводится это слово? А mean как переводится?
Put.
Пусть?
Put. This one. I'm showing you. Put.
Put.
What does this word?
Put и мешать.
Ставить, да? Ставить. Put the word.
Yes.
And what time did your friends arrive at school today? What time did your friends arrive?
My friends arrive. Как будет?
Thank you. Приходить. Возвращаться.
My friends arrive to arrive in 2 o'clock.
Yeah,
2
right
p.m.
at 2 o'clock. Yeah, that's good. Thank you, Aiponi. Thank you, Mr. Arnour. Yes, Sakir?
Yes.
What does this word mean? Right place. What does it mean? Right place.
Правильное место.
Yeah, that's good. Fantastic. Thank you, Aiponi. And what time did your friends arrive at school today?
My friends arrive at 3 o'clock.
At 3 o'clock. Okay. That's amazing. That's amazing. Thank you. Fantastic. Yeah, that's a good practice. That was a good practice. Yes. Okay, next one. Yes, Mr. Sake, do you have a car?
I don't have a car, but my brother have car.
Brother has a car. Okay. And is your brother older than you, Mr. Sake?
Yes.
Yes.
Older. Is older.
Yeah.
A lot of older.
He's a lot older than me. Yes, he's a lot older than me. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Sake. Yes, Arnour, do you have a car?
Yes. No, I don't have a car.
But what about your dad? Does he have a car?
But my dad have a car. Yes.
Yeah, has a car. Yeah? He, she, it has.
Has a car.
And is your sister older than you? You said that you have 2 sisters, yes? And are they?
Yes, I have 2 sisters. My 2 sisters. Младше как будет?
Yeah, younger.
Younger me.
Than me. Then это у нас.
Than me.
Than me. They are younger than me. And how old are they?
My first sister, younger than me, on 3 years.
Oh,
And second and second sister, younger than me, on 6 years.
Yeah, 4, 6 years. Yes, 4, 6 years, for 3 years. Okay. And Mr. Arnold, how often does your friend write to you? How often does he write to you on WhatsApp?
My friends write to me every week.
Every week. And what time does this class start? This class? What time does it start?
My friends write me after school.
After school. Okay. But what about this class, this lesson, English lesson? I mean, what time does this English class start? What time does it start?
My English lesson start at 7 o'clock.
It starts at 7 o'clock. Yeah, that's good. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Saki?
What time does class start?
Yeah, what time does this class start? 25 теңге.
Our teacher
Uh-huh.
start the class in the 7 o'clock.
Yeah, at 7 o'clock. And you said that your mother is in another city, yes? Your mother is in another city.
Yes, my mother is
Huh? And
another city.
yeah, how often does she write to you on WhatsApp?
Every day. She's writing to me every day.
She writes to you every day. Okay. Okay, thank you. And is your friend from Brazil, Mr. Sanat?
No, of course no. My friend
Аптасына 3 күн сол, 3
is not from Brazil.
isn't from Brazil. And so where is your friend from, Mr. Sanat?
My friend from Kentau.
From Kentau. And how many languages do you speak, Mr. Sanat?
300 language.
3 languages, yes. Thank you. Mr. Arnold Tursunkan?
Is your friend from Brazil? No, my friends not from in Brazil. My friends from Almaty.
Yeah, your friend is from Almaty. And how many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak?
I can speak in 3 languages.
Okay, in 3 languages. What are they?
Russian language, Kazakh language, and English language.
English language, that's good. And where was she born? Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
No. Okay, let me ask a question like this. Yes, where was who? Where was, oh my God, who? Where was Beyonce born? Where was Beyonce born? Do you know Beyonce?
Beyonce born in USA, America.
Yes. Beyonce was born.
Was born
Beyonce was born in
America.
yes, in the USA or in America. Okay. Where did you go last summer, Mr. Arnold?
The last summer I went in Qatar.
Ooh, you went to Qatar. Okay.
Yes.
And did you buy anything in Qatar for yourself? Did you buy a t-shirt? What did you buy there?
I buy cap and t-shirt.
Yes.
T-shirt.
Yeah, I bought. Когда вот говорим про прошлом, да, используем что? Past simple, да? I bought a t-shirt. I went, та-та-там, па-та-там, да? That's good.
Okay.
Thank you, Arno. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Sanat?
Yes, where was she born?
Yeah, where was she born? She who? Who can I say? Maqpal. Where was Maqpal Junusova born?
Where was born? In the Kentau?
Huh?
In the Kentau?
Yeah, she was born in Kentau, yes? Okay, Mr. Saki, and where did you go last summer?
I didn't go any place.
Yeah, you didn't go anywhere last summer. And is your mother a doctor, Mr. Sanat? Thank you, Sultanat.
My mother isn't a doctor.
Okay. Okay, did you come to school by bus? Or did you go to school
No,
by bus? Today, did
no,
you?
I didn't.
Yeah, did you go to school by bus?
No, I didn't.
No, you didn't.
Because school прям рядом, как будет?
Yeah. My school is near my house.
Is-
School is
It's near my house.
my house. Good, that's good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Arnold Tursagan, Mr. Arake.
Is your father a doctor?
Yeah.
No, my dad. My dad. No, don't doctor.
Yeah, my dad isn't a doctor.
Isn't doctor. And did you come to school by bus? No, I come to school by car.
By car. Okay, that's good. That's a good answer. I like that. Thank you. Okay, now let's go back. Now let's make some questions here. Yes, Mr. Sakia?
Yes.
Do you drink a
Drink.
lot of coffee? How many cups do you drink?
I drink 1 cup of tea
Yes, I drink only 1 cup of tea.
every как, сказать, обед?
Every lunch time, yes? Or you can say, yeah. Okay, thank you. Yes, Mr. Arnold Tursunkan, what about you? Do you?
I drink of 1 cup of tea.
Yes, you drink only a cup of tea.
I drink tea before school.
Yeah, you drink tea before the school. And Mr. Arnold Tursunkan, do you go to bed early during the week? What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed in 9 o'clock.
Yes, at 9 o'clock, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, okay. And the last question, do you spend a long time on Facebook every day? How long do you spend?
Можно вместо Facebook, WhatsApp? У меня нет Facebook.
Okay, you can speak about the fact. Problem.
I spend on WhatsApp 30 minutes.
30 minutes a day?
Yes.
Wow, that's good. Ungana, thank you. Ungana. Okay, thank you, Mr. Arnold. Sanat? Mr. Sanat?
Go to the bed early during the week. What time?
Early. Do you go to bed early during the week?
Good. I go to the bed in the 9 o'clock.
Really? At 9 o'clock every day?
Every day, yes. Every day.
Wow, fantastic. And do you spend a long time on Instagram, WhatsApp every day? And how long do you spend a day?
I spend a day in the WhatsApp for 15 minutes.
15 minutes a day.
Or
15 minutes a day.
a day, yes.
Okay. And Mr. Sakia, did you have did you have a big breakfast today? What did you have for breakfast, Mr. Sanat?
I have small breakfast, not that big.
You had very small breakfast. And what did you have for breakfast?
2 eggs and 1 cup of tea.
Ooh, that's it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And Mr. Sakir, did you go somewhere nice on Saturday? Where did you go?
I go walk with friends,
Mm-hmm.
some bowling, or go to the park.
Mm-hmm. You went to the park. And did you see good film last week? What film did you see?
Yes, I see the good film. Very good.
Okay. Thank you.
That's
What's the name of the film?
that film names is Breaking Bad.
Oh, Breaking Bad. Okay, that's good. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Arnold Khan.
On breakfast, I have a small.
Yeah, that's small.
I add one sandwich, one bread, no, кусок, one bread and one cup of tea.
Yeah, a loaf of bread, давай там. A loaf of bread, то есть ломтик хлеба. A loaf of bread. Okay, I had a loaf of bread. Ломтик хлеба.
And on Saturday, I went to tennis center and played with my brother tennis.
You played tennis with your friend.
And the last week, I saw a comedy film. I forgot his name.
Its name. Yeah, I forgot its name.
Its name.
Okay. Okay, now the last question. We have just 2 minutes left. Okay. Mr. Thank you, Arnold. Thank you. Yes, Sanat?
Do you normally get in touch with your friends by phone, email, or Facebook?
Yeah, by phone, email, or Facebook. Get in touch — это связаться, да? Общаться.
Нормально ли ты общаешься с друзьями по телефону, имейлу или в Фейсбуке?
Нет, не нормально, а часто. Часто ли вы, общаетесь с друзьями по телефону, по имейлу или же по Фейсбуку? Нормально, это normal, это означает то, что обычно, да? Как usually идет.
Yes, I do get in touch with my friends every day.
Yeah. Yes, I do. I get in touch with my friends by WhatsApp, yes? Usually by WhatsApp.
Нравится.
Okay.
I forgot.
Thank you. And do you have an iPod or MP3 player? What kind of iPod or telephone do you have, Mr. Sanat? What kind of telephone do you have?
I don't have an iPod or MP3, but I have the Samsung, the phone.
Samsung. Okay, Samsung. Okay, thank you. Yes, we have just less than 1 minute. Okay, Mr. Arnold, do you normally get in touch with your friends by phone, email, or Facebook?
I get in touch with my friends by phone, by WhatsApp.
Okay, do you have an iPod or MP3 player, or what kind of telephone do you have, Mr. Arnold?
No, I don't have iPod and I don't have MP3 player.
Okay, see you tomorrow, guys. This is the end of the lesson. See you tomorrow at 7 o'clock. Okay, have a good evening. See you tomorrow. Please watch the video lessons and send the photos to my assistant. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good evening. See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Yeah, see you later. That's good. Yeah, fantastic. My